morning, afternoon, or evening, depending where you're at the time. At the time. Oh, whatever. You know what? I messed that one up. Anyway, welcome back to Thumper's Lockpicking. I hope you're going to enjoy this video. I bought a couple of black dog padlocks. They're kind of like the American, but they don't have the American keyway. I was going to pick it with my leashy, and this is the M1. This is the American, and I just I thought it was an American core. It will. Let me give you a little peeky. It will not go in. It's just it's different. So no problem. I really like picking with my leashy, but next time. So let's. This is the lock. Really nice logo of a kind of like a wolf or a dog on there, a black dog. Truckers know what that is. All right, let's see what we can do here. Gonna be used. Oh wait, this is the bitting on the key. Not too bad. Not too bad at all. I'm gonna be using a homemade custom pick. And let me see if I'm going to be using either the Hashi, I can't pronounce that, man, I have a hard time, or the Mad Bob's 1.2. They're both 1.2. It's just, this is a straight bar. I think I might go with a straight bar just because, no, maybe not. Okay, we'll go with this. A little sloppy, but I can deal with it. All right, here we go. A little counter rotation on one already. Okay, got that. Two. A little small little click there. 3 feels good. 4. Little click, a little movement. 5. And I believe it's 6. Let's go back to the beginning. Make sure the camera's in focus. Okay. One, 2, darn it, I gotta pull this thing cord out. It's making the video shake. Sorry about that. All right. 2, 3, gonna lighten up on my tension. All right. 4. I think there's only 5 in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know. I'm just gonna go as we got it. Well, I'm not timing it, so it's no big rush. Go. 1, 2. Okay. Oh, I'm not counting out loud. Sorry. 5, I believe. Get in there. 1, a little bit of movement there. 2. Binding on 3, I believe. There we go. 4. Okay, 4 feels alright. 5 feels right. A little click out of either 5 or 6. I'm having trouble telling because this tension goes so far in there. And the first pin, if I don't get it right, I'm pushing on the tension bar. So I'm trying to pull it out and pick around it and put it back in as I do it. Should look more carefully. 2, 3. I got some nice movement on that. I'm not even going to decide what pin I'm on right now. I'm feeling a little better, guys. I'm feeling a little better, a little spunkier, I guess. My infusion went all right. I haven't locked up for one day. I don't know if that means anything. Gotcha, baby. Woo! Woo! There you are. I haven't locked up for one whole day, but medicine doesn't work that quick, so just keeping my fingers crossed that I'm having better days. All right. Woo! What do you think, Mr. Easy? Mr. Easy, did you die? Mr. Easy died right now. We'll have to get back with Mr. Easy. Okay, let's see what we got here. Sorry about that. Let's move it a little bit over here. Get that. Get my pinning tray. I'm really being clumsy today. Dropping everything. Alright. Lock back in the camera. Tilt it down. Very beautiful pick. Don't need that. Don't need that. What is in here? Looks like a Phillips head. Wow, must have been Loctite on that puppy. Alright, put that there. There. I need a clip remover. Okay. Tiny shim should work. Okay. Follower. Where are the followers? Be a small one, I think. Nope. I'm gonna use this. Alright, I'm gonna turn it back just a little bit. No problems. Okay. Well. Alright, number 1. Almost blew that one. God, these pins are tiny. Very nice little spool. I forgot how tiny these are. Wow, very nice security pins in there. I am surprised. I did not feel that. Now if I get it in a tray, will be good. All right, really nice double serrated pin there. Look how tiny these pins are. A very nice spool or serrated, one big serration, I guess you'd call it. Another serrated pin. And I'm going to have to look at that up close. I can't see it. Might be a standard, might have a serration, I'm not sure, but I'll wait till you guys see these pins. I've not done nothing to this. Let's zoom. Okay, the person before me must have did something, because I can see number one. I don't like this. It's got threads in it for sure. 2's nothing there. Oops, sorry. Start again. Threads. Nothing there. Looks like undercut it in 3. Nothing in 4. And threads. And undercutting in 1, 2, 3, 4. So there was only 5 pins. There you go. Felt like I was hitting a back pin or something, but sometimes I'm wrong. All right. One looks like a nice spool. It's got serrations on both ends. I used to make them like that. Put this there. Oh God, I hate when that happens. 1 second. It was only a tiny steel spring. And I'll probably have hell finding it. There it is. Pull a cat here. Alright. 2. Just barely cleared the shear line. Nice serrated pin. Another steel spring. Another spool. Another steel spring. This one here is barely breaking the shear line. Maybe that's why it was easy to pick. Spool, looks like the springs need to be, or this is serrated, I'm sorry. Definitely the springs are a little shot on this one. Okay. This one's the same way, barely breaking the shear line. Nice serrated pin. I will update definitely these springs. I don't think anything's done. Whoa, 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 don't say that yet. This has been tampered with too. I think it's the same thing. I just saw the threads on the end of that one. Oh, yeah, God darn it, and I didn't have it in camera. Let me get a little bit of light on here. You can barely work it out. I think it's the same thing as what's on the top. If I put it this way, can you see it better? No, but it's the same as the top, which would be, well, go by the video. Because you see there, you can see the, what am I trying to say here, man? I'm just dumbfounded for words today. Someone tapped that very well. There we go. I can see it's tapped in second, and I don't know if I'm looking from the front or the back, so I'm going to shut up. It is work done to it. Wow. Very, very, very lost for words. Let me give you a close-up what I got. I will improve on my video as I start feeling more and more better. I just feel great today, so just getting back on that. Look how tiny these pins are. We got a single serration, a little short, little stubby dude. Then we got a double serration, a single serration in 3, another one in 4, and that's just a standard 5. Top pins, we have a double, we have a spool with 2 serrations on each end, a serrated pin, same thing in 3, spool with 2 serrations, and 3 we got some nice serrations on it, and 4 has got heavier serrations on it. Boy, does that sound familiar for some reason. Okay, that's what I got. That's what I did. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm getting back into it, I think. So, thank you very much for watching that episode of Thumper's Lockpicking. Hit that like and subscribe button. Tell a friend. And don't put your picks in anyone else's locks unless you have explicit permission. Thank you, everybody. God bless.